What's up, guys? Welcome to our class number 5 in this VdanceClub course. So in this class, we go to work. We're gonna work our syncopating steps. So let's go. Okay, guys, we start from our basic 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I try to explain our 4 basic syncopating steps. The syncopating is the timing, normal timing, with the contra time. Okay, we do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, the end is the contra time. I do 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. When we do 1 and 2 or 2 and 3 or cha cha cha, this is one syncopating step. Okay, we're gonna work 4 different examples. Okay, the first one is 1 and 2, second one 2 and 3, third one 3 and 4, and 4 and 5. Okay, if you do one syncopating to my left side, you can do it to the other side. Okay, but it's the same dynamic and the same step. Basic from the top: 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first syncopating is 1 step, change the way. 4. Okay, look, 1, touch, and change, open, touch, like this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, really easy. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, open, touch. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and step, touch, and change the way, open, touch. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. The same thing, you can do it to the other side, and the timing 5 and 6. Okay, we do 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4. Right direction. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, you need to practice with this both sides. Both sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, and guys, don't forget the stepping. Okay, and don't forget toes and heel. Toes and heel every time. If your syncopating is too fast, super fast, you can use obviously your toes, but in the end of the syncopating, you need to finish in your heels and all feet. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, like this. Basic from the top. 5, 6, 7, basic. First syncopating 1 and 2, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, facing to you. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, our second exercise is in number 2 and 3 and 6 and 7. Okay, this exercise is the same thing that the other, but in other timing, okay? Look, we do 1, I wait here, 2, and open, 4, okay? One more time, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and open, touch, okay? Touch, change, open, touch, like this. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. The same to my other side. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Let's try again. Basic, 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. The first one. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. The second one. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, you see, it's the same exercise but in different timing. You need to practice. When you practice this first syncopating steps, you need to count. It's a very important thing. Okay, for make the difference. 5, 6, 7, basic, 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Second one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And now you remember your neutral position. Guys, it's very important. Look, when I start to do my first syncopating, for example, I do 1, 2, and transfer. You see? Toes and heels. 1, and 3, and 4. Look. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and I transfer all feet. Okay? Check, touch. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Or the first one the same. 1, and 2, 2. Okay? One more time. Basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. For syncopating. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Second one. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Basic. Okay, our third syncopating is 3 and 4, and 7 and 8. Okay? In this exercise, this syncopating, we change only one thing in our basic is the pose. Okay, we have our syncopating without pose. Okay, we do 5, 6, 7 basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We start from our basic 1 and 2, and now syncopating 3 and 4, and continue with our number 5 without pose. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And don't forget the stepping, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? If you dance the syncopated step only with your toes, it's something stretch your position. Okay? If you do 1, 2, cha cha cha, look, 5, 6. I don't feel very stable. Okay, you need to use all feet, feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3. Let's go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sorry. 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and the fourth exercise is 4 and 5 and 8 and 1. Okay, for me this syncopating is the most musicality syncopating because the rhythm is the same that the rhythm of the bongo. Okay, the percussion. When you start to dance 4 and 5 and 8 and 1, look, the song of the bongo is this: taku tuku tuku taku taku tuku tuku tak taku, tuku, tuku, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, taku, taku, tuku, tuku, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, tuku, tuku, taku, ta. Okay, we see in our musicality class, but this is the small concept in this syncopated. Okay, how we can do basic to the basic side to side. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we start with our basic again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In this case, I'm crossing back in number 4, 4, and on the spot. My syncopated is my control time is on the spot, and cross to my other side. 1, 2, 3. 4 and continue with my basic, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and the same to the other side. Cross, stepping, left. 5, and I use all the time, look, toes and heels. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay? We try to explain our fourth basic syncopated exercise. Okay, we start from the basic. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. First syncopated is 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2, 3. Second syncopated. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Third syncopated. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Syncopated. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, facing to you. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, 3. First one, let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 basic. 1, 2, 3. Second syncopated. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 basic. 1, 2, 3. Third syncopated. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3. Fourth syncopated. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You need to practice. Let's try to practice with music and let's go. Okay, we start from the basic. And 1. First syncopated. 1 and 2. 5 and 6, basic. Second. 1, 2 and 3. 5, cha cha cha. 1, 2 and 3. 5, basic. Change the time. Basic. First one.
Solo la Madre Teresa fue sagrada con la piel que tire.
Second
la
one.
Primera piedra, mujer que sea santa. No puedo borrar tu historia.
Third
Ni
one.
quien vino antes que yo. Dice el dicho que el que ríe último ríe mejor.
Cha cha cha.
Aunque algunos
Cha, cha,
tocaron
cha.
tu cuerpo, solo
Basic.
yo llegué al alma.
4, 1.
Tú besaste muchos
4 and
príncipes
5.
buscando amor.
Cha cha cha.
Derrochaste sentimientos,
Cha, cha, cha.
nadie te entendió. Tantas huellas en tu
Basic.
cama, pero yo fui
First
quien
one.
selló tu corazón. Tú has fallado en 100 amores sin saber por qué. Has
Second one.
fuertemente no es de nivel. Y me cuenta la almohada.
Third one.
Ha presenciado mucho sexo en tu colchón.
Fourth one.
Pero el amor es solo conmigo.
Okay guys, I hope you like it and see you next class. Bye.